Hello, and welcome to Tiger Bridge. This video will show you how to prepare for a distributed workflow with our file locking functionality. We have a demo environment where Tiger Bridge has been installed and configured on two different machines, the one with the blue background on the left and the one with the black background on the right. File locking is also enabled. The machines are configured with a local source folder that synchronizes its contents to the other through the cloud. If you do not know how to set up synchronization, check our multi-site sync with Tiger Bridge playlist. Currently, if you make a change, like add a new file on one of the machines, the change gets replicated in a matter of seconds to the other machine because this is how the sync is configured. If we open this Word file on the first machine and then check the same file on the other machine, we can see that its icon now has a lock on top of it. If we try to open it, we will get this pop-up message telling us that the file is locked. We can select to work with a read-only copy of the file and potentially select that we want to get notified when the file gets unlocked. Word indicates that the file is locked and that notifications are enabled. Let us close the file on the first machine now. That will release the lock, and we will get a notification about this on the second machine. If we decide to work with the file in a read-write method, then the same file gets locked on the first machine as visible on its icon. If your cloud provider supports versioning, the merge scenario can also be handled. A new version of the document will get created for all the changes that were made while working offline. If you would like to understand more about how Tiger Bridge works with cloud providers versioning, check out our data protection with Tiger Bridge playlist. This works not only with the Office package, but with any other application such as Adobe Photoshop, Revit, AutoCAD, etc. If we open an AutoCAD file on the first machine, and then we try to open the same file on the other machine, we will only see a read-only option. In case a file is left out as locked for a long period of time and normal operation with it is not possible, Tiger Bridge allows you to forcefully unlock it as well. These collaboration capabilities only need the existing infrastructure and customer-owned cloud storage account. They do not require virtual machines running in the cloud. Our solution runs in a vendor lock-free format, allowing any artificial intelligence or machine learning service to use that data. Therefore, this is one of the most cost-effective and future-proof hybrid cloud approaches. If you would like to get more information about Tiger Bridge, its setup, and different use cases, check out our YouTube channel. Thank you for viewing.